Hi everyone, today we'll see market analysis how it behaved on 31st January and plan for 1st Feb. So today market opened a little gap down around 30 points in a Nifty. So exactly at the place where yesterday I was expected some gap filling exactly here where we have a gap filling place. This is the place. So after that it might take a reversal, but immediately it taken a second candle itself covered first 15 minutes candle top up and then retest and then given a one-sided momentum. So I was expected this has to broke and then stayed the market. So market has been broken with a strong volume candles and then taken a retest and given a one-sided momentum around 235 points. It given a momentum. So from minus 70 to around 230 points, it given around three maximum. Yesterday's fall around 75% has been covered. Today's up move, and also tomorrow is a budget day. So only Nifty is having a expiry. Bank Nifty expired today, so maximum I mean fluctuations will be available only in a Nifty compared to Bank Nifty. When it comes to here, so entire day last half an hour or from 12 onwards market set into a range bound. So I'm expecting tomorrow market may open again a flat, either first half it will broke from past few budget days. We can see a first big side momentum. So if the news is positive, then it will go and sustain in a range bound and then higher highs. If not, then we can see a drastical fall from there. So if you see same in the case of Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty also, so we got a very first past 2 days we have a range bound market. So today market opened itself gap down, it filled the gap whatever it formed in a previous 2 days, then again it given a one-sided momentum. So this is like a carry forward positions for the budget day also there might be possible. So 4 rupees it went to 300 rupees thing. So this is like a budget pre thing. After breaking this 15 minutes candle, we have seen a one-sided momentum. But if you see here, there is a gap maintained here. So if the news is in a average or if it is not favored to the banking sector, then we can see this gap filling. So either this tomorrow or by this week we can see this gap filling. If this fills the gap, then again we can see the target around 45,000. This is the gap. I mean, Nifty didn't form the gap, but Bank Nifty formed the gap. So let us see in a longer time frame how the market will be. Let me remove my indicator drawings. Okay, let us go for a daily time frame. So it formed a long bullish pattern candle in a Bank Nifty. If you see one green candle, one red candle, one green candle, red candle on a daily time frame. So tomorrow, if it opens and covers closes above 46,600, then only we can go for a gap filling. Otherwise, again we can see a big fall like this candle tomorrow. We can expect this type of candle even if it is opens on a gap up, or it will cover on a strong wick like this, a strong wick and then to the downside. So but if you see the pattern form today, uh, if it is a positive news or something, it will form a small candles like this for past 2 to 3 days and cover till here, then again we can see a big fall from there. Let us come to the Nifty on a longer time frame. Nifty on a longer time frame, again it see if it formed engulf. Let me remove my drawings here. See again it formed a engulfing candle. Yesterday water it has been fallen, so everything has been engulfing. So again it made a high around 21,718. So if this range broke, so it is waiting for the range broke on a budget day. So if this range breaks, then we can see a immediate huddle around 22,124. Let us draw some of our important support and resistance on a daily time frame. So if you see here, this would be our important support and resistance zones on a higher end. So this is our one of the major supports. So on downside we have a multiple supports here. So this is one of the one. Okay. Okay. And then if it falls, because tomorrow we can expect around 1500 points up and down. So we have to make our drawings in such a way. So let us come to the bank nifty on a longer time frame. So if you draw these lines and convert it into 50 minutes, then it will be a very clear picture for you. At a lower time frames, we can draw according to the price actions how it has been moved. So this could be today's range will be acting as a one of the good support and resistance here. So after that, it may chance of breaking this zone. So this could be our important support and resistance levels on a longer time frame. Okay, so let us come to the 15 minutes time frame in a bank nifty. See how clean it has been drawn on a daily time frame. So if you see here, again we can draw on a 15 minutes a few more support and resistance. This is called a support and resistance on a smaller time frame on a 15 minutes time frame. So first support will be our 46,200. If this breaks, then we can see around 46,200, 46,600, 300. Then we can see immediate around 47,000 will be the next high target. If this breaks, then we can see a gap filling of 48,000. This is a very high gap filling area. So 48,000 is a very high crucial point. Then next coming to downside. So if this zone breaks, then we can see immediate huddle, and also 5 minutes we have seen a candle gap there. So then we can see a 45,600 and then 45,000. Let us come to a nifty on a 15 minutes pattern. So this is the v-shaped recovery. How yesterday fall, it's exactly it has been taken a v-shaped recovery. So if market closes any candle, first candle above 21,740, then we can see a immediate target around 21,817 and then 21,820. If this also breaks, then we can see a 22,030 will be the next gap filling area which we have it. So downside, if it opens on a middle of this range, then we can see some consolidation. We have to wait either it breaks upside or downside. So maximum chances it will open on a flat to positive note on a budget day, because there is no decisive candles or any because monthly also new one, and we have to wait for that thing. So let us see our price action indicators how it has been made. So after forming, so we have a crossover in a nifty. Let me